This is a brief demonstration on how to use the personality puzzle in a coaching setting. I'm using the Type at Work puzzles, but the same process applies to Type for Teens and the Learning Puzzle. More information is in the user guide, which you can find online. Explain about preferences using the arm folding or write your name activity. Use the front card to explain about how the 4 type preferences come together to get to a 4-letter code. I always do the outer 2 letters first and then the inner 2. Place the pairs of preference cards in front of your client and ask them to scan their eyes over the 2 sets of words. You will be a bit of both, but one will be more like you than the other. A conversation will emerge. Guide your client through this until they are clear about their preference. Questions to do this are in the user guides. There is more information on the reverse side of the card to assist. Put their chosen card on top of the other card. This symbolises they are a bit of both, but one is on top for them. Keep the cards out in the space you are working so they can be referred to at all times. Go through the process 3 more times until you have completed the 4 letters. Find the whole type description which relates to that set of preferences. Use the careers cards if that is appropriate to your coaching situation. I often spread out the cards to discuss how these type preferences are relevant to my client. Or I give them all the preference cards and ask them to see if they can take a guess on someone who is significant to them, perhaps a boss or partner or child. Allow them to take photos of any of the cards as a reminder of the session.